Yeah, y'all, today we about to show the E36 some love. So, I got some BC Racing coilovers that we about to install. Shout out to BC Racing. Shout out to the Hummy Van for the plug. And yeah, man, E36 about to get some love today. I got these. I just got to get the clips from BMW so I can get that put on. But today we doing coilovers, man. So, we about to stand her out. I got some wheels and all that. She about to be looking pretty. So, BC Racing coilovers, E36M3. Let's get yeah. Feel like it's Christmas, baby. Ooh. And I got a shirt. Good looking. Yeah. Shirt's right here, baby. Okay. Get these on with the camber. See the camber plates too? That's what I'm talking about. Good looking. Let's get these on there, man. First, I'm gonna do the front. Then we're gonna do the rear. So I'm gonna get the car jacked up, take the tires off, get it cracking. All right, so I pretty much got the car set up how I want it. Tires off, hood popped up, ready to go. So, give me a little chair right here. I'm gonna take that off. Sway bar bolt. To 18 right here and two 18s. I'm gonna get my flashlight later so y'all can see. I'm at my light when I'm working, but those three, and then there's 3 bolts up top. Then you just slide this down. Get something to support it so you don't pop your brake line. Slide that down. Take this out. Put the new one up. Done. Do the next thing on the other side. So let's start the first side. Let's get it. Don't do that, man. All right, so now that we got them off, we got a side-by-side comparison, and I see how low I'm gonna go. So from the old ones, I only wanted to go down like ½ inch, so I'm gonna take it down ½ inch. I'm gonna start at ½ inch, and then we'll see what I gotta do from there. So right now, we got, I already checked from the bottom of the new one, from the bottom of that one, is 6 inches. So I'm gonna turn it to 5.5, because I'm gonna go a half. So you'll see from the bottom of that to the bottom of that, 6 inches. So I'm gonna take it down to 5.5, and bam, that should be ½ inch shorter than what it is. Then once I install it on both sides, drop the car, see what it do, then I'll adjust from there. But I just want to go like ½ inch for now, see what it do. So let's do that. Cool. Gotta match this up at the top. So we got that side done. And what's done on that side must be done to the other side. And I got this side ready to come out. I just got to take off the top bolts. And then this will drop down. And then we put the new one on. Let's finish this up real quick. Cool, so I got the front coilovers on, got the wheel on, but the wheel don't move. It's hitting the coilover. So, I need a bigger spacer. So what I'm gonna do is for now, I'm just gonna run spacers until I get the rims rebuilt and rebarreled and all that. Have them come out, sticking out, looking all sick. But for now, I'm just gonna run spacers because I like these wheels. I wanna put them on here and I'm tired of playing games. So, what we're gonna do is run the spacer, bigger spacer. So I gotta go order that, get that set up. But the BCs look good. Look at that. We in the game. Can't wait to drop it and see what it looks like. We ain't gonna be able to do that today because it's hitting the coilover. So I'm gonna put the stocks back on, drop it, measure in the back, see the clearance I got in the back, and then come back and then get the spacers, order all that up, put everything on and get it right. So for now, we're stuck in a crisis. I gotta do a little bit of suspension geometry and we'll be right back up in the game. But for now, that's where we at. We stuck. We stuck on a coilover. Bigger spacers. That's the plan. All right, y'all.